Hello, gorgeous people. Welcome back to Natural Beauty Corner. Today I'm super duper excited to share with you guys a simple yet powerful aloe vera hack that can be used as an overnight mask. So if you want to wake up with soft, glowing, shiny, radiant skin, then keep watching this video till the end without any further delay. Let's get started. First, we need a fresh aloe vera leaf from a plant. If you don't have an aloe vera plant at home, it's okay. Just buy a fresh aloe vera from the market and do this hack once or twice in a week. You will see great results. Make sure that the aloe vera leaf you are using is free from pests and diseases, and then proceed further. Second, take the aloe vera leaf and wash it thoroughly under running water to remove any impurities. Once done, pat dry the aloe vera leaf and then remove the brown skin of the aloe vera leaf by using a knife. Be very careful while doing this and don't cut yourself. It's optional to remove the brown skin. You can directly extract the gel from the aloe vera leaf by using a knife, but removing the brown skin makes the gel look more transparent, so it's totally up to you. Third, now take a fresh aloe vera leaf and apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel on your face. Make sure that the gel is fresh. Do one use old aloe vera gel, which you had applied a few days ago, because it may turn bad and cause infection on your face. After applying a thin layer of aloe vera gel all over your face, gently massage it for about 1 minute in upward direction. The aloe vera gel may feel sticky and weird at first, but trust me, after massaging it for a minute, it gets absorbed in your skin and leaves no stickiness. If you want, you can also apply some drops of vitamin E oil in the aloe vera gel and then massage it all over your face. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant, which helps in reducing the early signs of aging. Plus, it also brightens the skin tone. Now comes the most important part. Leave this aloe vera gel on your face overnight while you sleep. Wake up in the morning and wash it off with lukewarm water, and then pat dry your face. That's it. Super easy, isn't it? This aloe vera gel works magically on your face. No matter how dry, dehydrated, dull, and lifeless your skin is, this aloe vera gel will make it soft, supple, smooth, shiny, radiant, and glowing. So let us understand why aloe vera works so well on your face, and how does it provide you with all these amazing benefits. First, repairs damaged skin. Aloe vera contains powerful compounds like antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that help in repairing damaged skin. These components of aloe vera reduce the impact of UV radiation and other environmental stressors on your skin. Plus, aloin, a special compound found in aloe vera, boosts collagen production, and thus helps in improving the elasticity of your skin and minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is the reason why aloe vera is known as a popular ingredient in many anti-aging products. Second, reduces acne scars. Most of us suffer from acne at some point in our lives, and these scars or marks left behind by acne become a nightmare to deal with. Here, aloe vera acts as a blessing because it has anti-inflammatory properties. This property of aloe vera soothes redness and puffiness caused by acne, and thus helps in fading acne scars and getting an even skin tone. Not just that, the antibacterial properties of aloe vera fight with the bacteria that causes acne. Third, deeply hydrates. As mentioned earlier, aloe vera contains a number of vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, and this makes it an excellent hydrating agent for your skin. Due to its unique composition, aloe vera holds up to 10 times its weight in water and thus provides intense hydration to your skin for a long period of time. Plus, it also helps in sealing in the moisture and preventing water loss from your skin. This is the reason why aloe vera is known to provide long-lasting hydration to your skin. Fourth, gives you a natural glow. Who doesn't want a naturally glowing skin? Well, this aloe vera overnight mask will help you achieve that goal. The antioxidants present in aloe vera protect your skin from oxidative stress and thus improve your skin tone and texture. Plus, it also removes dead skin cells and thus improves the overall appearance of your skin. With consistent use of this aloe vera overnight mask, you will notice a brighter and more even skin tone. Not just these for benefits, aloe vera also has antifungal properties that help in treating sunburns. It prevents and treats dandruff. It also fades blemishes and so much more. And if you are wondering how often you should use this Aloe Vera Overnight Mask, then I would suggest using it once in a week. You can increase the frequency to twice in a week, depending upon your skin type and skin requirements. However, if you have sensitive skin, then make sure to do a patch test before applying it to your entire face. And also avoid getting it into your eyes. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this video and got to learn something new. If you liked this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Also, share your feedback and queries with us in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Take care and see you soon in our next video. Let's come to the end of today's video. We hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. If you have any queries, then don't forget to write them down in the comments section below. We will reply to all your queries ASAP and also share your feedback and reviews with us. Always love to hear from you guys. If you liked this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. And for more amazing videos, and for more amazing videos. And if you haven't already, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do and miss out on any of our latest updates. We will see you guys in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Hi, welcome back to Natural Beauty Corner. You want to have bright, glowing skin like this? If yes, then don't go anywhere. Just stay here and watch this video till the end, because today we are going to make this glowing skin possible for you in just 1 minute with an easy ice cube hack. And this is suitable for all skin types. So let's start. First, take a fresh ice cube from the ice tray. Make sure that it is not chipped or cracked. Take a clean cotton or linen cloth. I prefer linen. Just wrap this ice cube in this cloth and make sure that the whole ice cube is covered. Now take it in your hands and gently massage your face with it. Move it in circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. You can even use this cloth on your neck and décolletage. Today I'm just focusing on my face. If you've got puffy eyes and cheeks, then just keep this cloth on it for a few seconds. You will see a huge difference after removing this cloth. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes. If you have dry skin, then you can increase the time up to 5 minutes. Now let's see why this works so well. This cold compress helps to shrink the pores of your skin. When you apply something cold on your skin, it contracts your blood vessels, and thus it reduces the puffiness. It also reduces the inflammation of acne and other blemishes. It also boosts the circulation of blood near the surface of the skin, and thus brings more oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells. Thus it makes your skin glow instantly. This is best to be done in the morning because you will get instantly fresh and glowing skin. But you can do it anytime according to your convenience. Even I have tried this, and I found that this gives a healthy glow to the skin instantly. This is also very good before doing makeup. It will give you a perfect canvas to apply your makeup. You will get an extraordinary makeup look after this. This is also great if you are going for a date or a night out party. This will give you an instant glow and will help you to get ready quickly without using any makeup. You can even use some tinted moisturizer or BB cream or CC cream after this. I hope you've got the idea now how to use this ice cube hack. Let's move ahead and know what are the benefits of using ice cubes on the face. There are many benefits. First one is it clears up the acne marks and scars. Pimples or acne scars and blemishes can be really annoying and frustrating. These marks usually turn into a complex for many people, but no need to worry. Just take a clean ice cube and rub it gently on your pimples and acne marks. You will find an immediate reduction in the size of these pimples, and also the redness will go away. It will soothe the acne and reduce the inflammation. Also, when you massage with ice cube, it increases the blood flow, and this brings more oxygen and nutrients to your skin, and thus it will eventually clear up your acne marks and scars. Second benefit of using ice cubes on face is it fades the dark eye circles. Dark eye circles can make you look tired and dull, even if you are perfectly fine from inside. To fade away those dark eye circles, just rub an ice cube on your lower eyelid and under eye area for a few seconds and massage it gently. It is soothing and will reduce the puffiness under your eyes. It will also improve the blood circulation under your eyes and bring more oxygen to this area. And thus it will improve the texture of the skin under your eyes and will fade away the dark eye circles. It also reduces the puffiness and the bags under the eyes. The third benefit of using ice cubes on the face is that it reduces the puffiness on the face. The main cause of the puffiness on the face is the fluid retention in the body. When there is excess fluid in the body, it leads to swelling and puffiness on the face. To avoid this, just wrap a clean ice cube in a cloth and massage it on your face. You can even use this cloth on your neck and décolletage. Massage for about 2 to 3 minutes. Doing this every day will reduce the puffiness on your face. The fourth benefit of using ice cubes on the face is it makes your skin blemish-free. If you are suffering from red, irritated skin due to acne and other blemishes, then just take a clean ice cube and rub it on your skin gently. Keep doing this daily and you will find a huge difference. It will soothe your skin and will reduce the irritation, redness, and the inflammation. It will also improve the blood circulation and bring more oxygen and nutrients to your skin, and thus it will heal your blemishes faster and will make your skin blemish-free. Fifth benefit of using ice cubes on face is it reduces the early signs of aging. Aging is a natural process which cannot be avoided, but we can delay the signs of aging with the help of natural remedies. Taking care of our skin and massaging our skin with ice cubes is one of them. Due to aging, the production of collagen and elastin decreases. As a result, wrinkles and sagging of skin occurs. So massaging your skin with ice cube will improve the blood circulation and will bring more oxygen and nutrients to your skin. It will stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, and thus it will reduce the wrinkles and sagging of the skin. So massage your skin with ice cubes daily and get an improved and youthful looking skin. Now let's move ahead and know how to make ice cubes at home. So you can make these ice cubes at home in your ice tray. You will require 1 cup of water, and this is an optional. I usually add mint leaves in this water. You can even add aloe vera gel or cucumber slices or rose petals or anything according to your convenience. So I am adding mint leaves in this water and then just blend it with the help of a blender or a mixer. Now, pour this in the ice tray and freeze it. You can also make ice cubes with aloe vera or cucumber or rose. So now you know how to make these ice cubes. Let us move ahead and know what are the things you should keep in mind while using these ice cubes on your face. First thing, always use a fresh ice cube and a clean cloth for massaging. Second, never use chipped or cracked ice cubes on your skin, because the sharp edges can cut your skin and can cause bleeding. Third, if you have got sensitive skin, then just use 1 ice cube at a time and increase the time gradually according to your skin's reaction. Fourth, if you have got acne-prone skin or you are having a breakout, then just use ice cubes on the affected areas only. Don't apply it all over your face. So these were the things you should keep in mind while applying these ice cubes on your face. Now let's move ahead and know how to store these ice cubes. Well, you can store them in your refrigerator in an airtight container up to 1 month. But I do recommend you to store them for a long time, because after a few days, they start becoming smelly and they start developing bacteria, and this can be harmful for your skin. So now you know everything about the ice cube hack. Hope you liked this video. Then please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to this channel for getting such type of useful videos. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for getting notifications of all our new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Have a great day. Bye.